Kusenjalo samukelwe ngembono eyahlukene ke isabelomali ebesethulwa uNgqongqoshe weZemali uEnoch Godongwana ePhalamende namhlanje njengoba amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe asishayele ihlombe kanti amanye akhala ngokuthi kuphindwa into yaphambilini.
It's important that we really fix what's happening in municipalities, and that can only happen really when there are significant investments in municipalities for this to be achieved. Well, a year from now, as a result of this budget, we will be seeing an upward turn in terms of towards the goal of inclusive economic growth, because there is no going back. There is too much evidence.
Well, this is just a fancy accounting, if we must be honest. It's been the same thing over and over again. What has been the messaging is actually managing a decline as opposed to changing the economic trajectory of a country. If you look at the GDP, it remains not stagnant. It's not able to. We're not able to grow the GDP.
So some very good positives. The first is no tax increases. Action SA fought for SARS to get more money last year. The proof is in the pudding now. So that is massive for us. That there's no tax increases on South Africans. It's massive. It's a victory for Action SA, but more importantly, a victory for all South Africans.
The government has done a sterling job in trying to stabilize the finances of the country. We have to give credit where it's due. However, you can't really call this a growth budget. I didn't see where growth is going to come from. It means that we're going to go next year again and say we've missed the growth targets and set new targets, and the cycle is going to continue again.
They did not do anything in terms of new revenue. The second issue is that because it's an election year, the minister will always be very cautious in terms of what to do. But immediately after people have voted, like last year, people voted in 2024. In 2025 February, they wanted to increase VAT.